The Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3 versus Goodyear Vector All-Season 4. This is a fight between Pirelli's 2024 All-Season tyre and Goodyear's freshly launched 2026 Challenger. Both are 3-Peak Mountain Snowflake certified, so this is just not about wet and dry roads. Snow performance, aquaplaning, comfort, and efficiency all matters. So the question is simple. Has Goodyear moved the game forward, or does Pirelli still hold its ground? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, the performance metrics are expressed in percentages, with the Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3 set as the reference point at 100%. The data source comes from Autobuild's 2026 All-Season Tyre Mini Test. In the wet, Goodyear starts strongly. Under braking, it has 0.7 meters shorter stopping distance, which translates to around 1% better performance. Through wet handling, Goodyear also carries a small advantage with an 0.4 km/h higher speed, or around 1% faster. But when it comes to aquaplaning, Pirelli fights back in a big way. The SF3 has a 3.9 km/h higher slipping speed, putting Goodyear around 4% behind. So overall, Goodyear is slightly stronger in wet braking and handling, but Pirelli is clearly better tyre when standing water becomes a main challenge. On snow, Goodyear takes control. Under braking, it stops 0.6 meters shorter, giving it around a 2% advantage. For traction, it produces 68 Newton more pulling force, which means around 3% stronger grip. And through snow handling, it carries 0.6 km/h higher speed, making it around 1% faster. The margins are not huge, but Goodyear wins in every snow category, and that consistency matters for an all-season tyre. On dry roads, Pirelli comes back strongly. Under braking, the SF3 stops 1.1 meters shorter, putting Goodyear around 3% behind. Through dry handling, however, both tyres are basically equal. Goodyear is only 0.1 km/h faster, which is effectively a 0% difference. So in the dry, Pirelli has stronger braking performance, while handling is practically tight. For exterior noise, Pirelli has a small refinement edge. The SF3 is 0.4 decibel quieter, putting Goodyear around 1% behind. When it comes to rolling resistance, Goodyear takes a clear win. The Vector All-Season 4 has a 0.37 coefficient value lower, giving it around a 5% efficiency advantage. In summary, from my tyre engineer point of view, the Goodyear Vector All-Season 4 looks like a more complete all-season tyre. Its advantages are not massive, but they are consistent. It's stronger in wet braking, wet handling, snow braking, snow traction, snow handling, and rolling resistance. That makes it especially attractive if you want better winter capability and efficiency from one tyre. On the other hand, the Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3 is still far from beaten. It's clearly better in straight-line aquaplaning, stronger in dry braking, and slightly quieter, which are all important real-world strengths.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.